Available in 4 finishes: silver, starlight, space gray, and midnight. Sleek and lightweight design. 15.3-inch liquid retina display. Powered by the Apple M2 chip. 8-core or 10-core CPU with 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. 8-core or 10-core GPU. 16-core neural engine. Up to 24 GB of unified memory. Hardware accelerated H. 264, HEVC, ProRes, and ProRes RAW. Video encode engine. ProRes encode and decode engine. Media engine. Up to 18 hours of battery life. Camera and audio 1080p FaceTime HD camera. 3 microphone array. Hardware accelerated H. 264, HEVC, ProRes, and ProRes RAW. Video encode engine. ProRes encode and decode engine. Media engine. Up to 18 hours of battery life. Keyboard and trackpad backlit Magic Keyboard. Force touch trackpad, ports and connectivity. 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. It's worth noting that the specifications and features of the MacBook Air M2 may vary depending on the ProRes encode and decode engine, media engine. Up to 18 hours of battery life.